Corner Car Washers. LaRue, what's up?
Hey, what up, dog? Hey, this AJ, dog. I had bought my Cadillac down there, dog. It was a 2001 Seville.
Alright.
I had got the premium car wash, dog. Only thing complained about, dog, is some stuff missing out my car, dog. Man, to see, like, dog, my girl upset, you know what I'm saying?
So what's missing out of your car, dude?
Dog, I had a scale in there, dog. I had a dime bag of weed, some
You got what in there, man?
a scale, my
Listen, my dude, we don't do like that. So what's up?
dog. I had some silver. I had 2 packs of silver sweets in there, dog.
What you talking about, dude? Calling here to my business and trying to...
Dog, 2 boxes of silver sweets, dog.
It ain't in my business right here to be taking people's car, my dude, alright?
2 boxes of silver sweets, dog. Dog, where my weed at? My silver sweet, dog. Only thing I need you to do, dog, man to man, and this ain't no threat. I'm just hollering at you. You know what I'm saying? I'm just
what?
Dog, I just want y'all to replace my scale, my dime bag of weed, my script sweet. 2 boxes of sweets, dog. Dog, where my weed at? My silver sweet, dog. Dog, where my weed at?